Alright guys, me again. I've got a box here, package, so off eBay, and I ordered this like before Christmas, so let's jump in and find out. Sorry, it's quite difficult with one hand. Really pretty package well, which is always good. There we go. Look at that. The new 52. Well, no, not the new 52, sorry, the 52. So, which is pretty good, isn't it? All bagged and boarded. So, if you look there, there's week 2 there, but look, week 1. So, which is awesome. So, week 3, week 4. Week 5, week 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50, and 51, and then 52. And as you can see here, they're all bagged and boarded, and I'd say they're pretty, I'd say they're probably very fine plus, near mint, I'd say. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. 40 quid it cost me for 52 comics off eBay. How good's that? Well, I think it's very good, so I don't know about you, but look, all of them. It's packaged well, so I'm just telling you that I've got the 52 off eBay for 40 quid. Well, 50 quid is about £10 packaging, so, and I'll tell you what, you know, the omnibus on Amazon and that lot's like 75 quid, so I've done myself some saving, so I'm really looking forward to it, and I'll do a review shortly. See you later.